used to spend about 20 minutes every day just to clean all the corners in my house. Not anymore. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am gonna be reviewing the new robotic vacuum by MOVA. This is MOVA V70 Ultra Complete. And this review is sponsored by MOVA. The robot comes at around $1,500 range right now, and there is a limited $200 off for the launch window only. So you snooze, you lose, so don't snooze because you're gonna lose, so go grab it. Guys, let's get started with a detailed review of this robotic vacuum. So what actually changed my mornings is the 6.7 inches mop extension ability, which is absolutely futuristic and crazy. It literally goes around these legs of your desk or of your dresser or just any legs. It cleans at these deep corners. Absolutely love that. It looks so beautiful and futuristic at the same time, definitely giving you this wow effect. Also, there is the 4.7 inches of a side brush, which this one is responsible, for the dry debris. Well, this one reaches deep into corners and does an amazing and awesome job. Both of these works on sensors, so once they sense the need of using the brushes, they will automatically just, took them out and use them. You can make the robot use them less or more, depends on your own personal needs. And that's what's amazing about MOVA, is that everything is so customizable, everything is so user-friendly. You can absolutely change any setting and make it fit your personal needs. Now, I watched the MOVA V70 Ultra clean between my desk and between my dresser, under my couch, under my sofas, without me moving a thing. Then the MOVA V70 Ultra hits a 42,000 PA ability of suction. Guys, the highest before that was 35. Seriously. All that thanks to a motor that spins up to 150,000 RPM. So it's easily pull any type of dust, cereal, coffee, or anything else from the hard floors and from the rugs as well. It easily comes with a 15 Newton downward pressure plus 300 RPM mopping, which is scrubbing the sticky spots in just one single pass. And it also climbs. The adaptive legs handle up to 3.5 inches of obstacles, so it crosses the sliding door track and the dual step threshold in the hallway without getting stuck. Here is the other constant here. The zero hair tangling system on the main brush, side brush, and wheels clears 99.9% of it. And I have not pulled a single wrap out after days of long hair and toddler fuzz. Now, navigation is another success. It uses a retractable DToF that drops the sensor to slide under the bed and lifts it in open rooms for full mapping experience. It recognizes over 300 household objects, even in a low light. And by the way, it has a built-in light, so if it needs more light, it can absolutely just turn it on. I set it loose on the whole main floor one afternoon and it cleared every room, then parked itself back on the dock with charge to spare. So no rescue missions, no me lifting it over anything. And by the way, let's talk about the dock. The dock station handles the part I used to dread. It is rinsing filthy mop pads by hand and it washes them with 212 degrees Fahrenheit water. Simply means hot water wash. It sprays through 20 nozzles and dries them in an hour only. The EcoCyclone Bagless 2-liter tank, which holds roughly 100 days of debris, and all you need to do is just to empty the transport canister, then simply rinse it. So no bags involved means there is no need to buy again and again to stock yourself with dust bags. No expense of such a thing for MOVA V70 Ultra Complete. Well, that alone saves about $84 a year just the dust bags, or up to $175 a year if you are having pets who are shedding into it, because of course then the use is more. Now, a real world note. The dock itself isn't so much tiny. It's an average robotic vacuum dock, and you will need a clear wall spot for it. Everything else has stayed hands-free in the large house. Those edges I used to chase every morning now clean themselves before I finish my coffee. Even on the days my 3-year-old redecorates the floor by 8 a.m. I am already curious how it holds up once heavy pet hair season hits the same setup. And guys, I will highly recommend you to check MOVA V70 Ultra Complete out. I will leave you all the links down below. So guys, I truly hope it was helpful for you. I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. I personally loved this MOVA robot. It did an amazing job for me. I absolutely love the reaching out like claw or hand, how would you call it, arm. I will call it the arm if you want to ask me. Anyway, it was truly fun to review this robot. I absolutely loved it. I love all the abilities of it. The brushes does an awesome job. I love how well it works on carpet. I love how well it mops and vacuums, and it's just such a strong ability of suction. 42,000 PA of suction, that's the highest on the market, at least of what I've seen and heard. I might be wrong, of course. Be so very sure to check this robotic vacuum out. I will leave you all the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, so all the links directly to this robot, as well as any other information like promotion, sales, any way to save some money, any coupon codes, any discount codes, anything to save you some money, everything gonna be located down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as I'm gonna pin it at the comment section to be the very first comment. So guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.